Hi, and welcome to Books with Busha. Today I'm going to read an Easter book to you called Don't Push the Button. It's an Easter surprise, and it's written by Bill Cotter. It's a cute, funny book, so be ready to help me. Oh, hi. Hi there, I'm Larry, and I'm so excited for Easter, aren't you? I know what you're thinking, but we shouldn't push the button. Seriously, I mean for real. But I don't think the Easter Bunny is looking, so go ahead and push the button. Boop. Ah! Where did these bunny ears come from? Try pushing the button 2 times. Bonk, bonk. Eep! Now I have a bunny nose and whiskers. Quick, push the button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, we just got 5 eggs. Tap on each egg to add some color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Decorate the eggs with your fingertips and make them extra special. Let's see what happens. Oh, beautiful! Oh, beautiful! Now shake the book up and down and to dry the paint. Oh no! All that shaking made the eggs go flying. Ah! Can you blow on the grass so we can find all of them? Almost. Just blow a little harder. There they are. Count the eggs as you slide each one into the basket. Make sure you get them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think we got them all. Thanks, buddy. You helped make this the best Easter ever. That's a silly book, isn't it? Don't Push the Button. Written by Bill Cotter.